Hi and welcome. Did you know in the United States alone there are 17 to 18 million men over 6 foot tall? That converts into 72 inches. Did you know that the standard dimensions of a king size bed are 76 inches wide by 80 inches long? So, how do people who like pillows and happen to be taller than 6 foot tall get a good night's sleep? Well, here's how. My name is Reagan Bierma, and this is Tiger King Mattress. I'm going to be sharing a little deeper look into the respective details surrounding Tiger King Mattress and its business model canvas, including personal interviews with customers to create a more meaningful customer segment and relationship. So our value proposition statement, we have high expectations to provide you the highest quality of Tiger King bed at an affordable price. We hope to solve issues for larger people, families, or animal owners who may exceed the size of a standard king size bed. This bed will be backed by a 5-year guarantee. Sorry, it's a warranty. Our most viable product is 16 inches thick latex mattress with a memory foam base, reinforced by thick latex walls to prevent the breakdown of the mattress. This mattress is 90 inches long by 95 inches wide. Our current marketing size, Tiger King mattress will be sold in all 50 states with future goals of moving into Canada. We plan to carry out our marketing strategies by way of supplier and selling mattresses online directly from a website. The marketing size for home bedding is estimated to reach 86 billion by the year of 2025. Our customer segment and archetypes reaches out to larger size people, co-sleeping families, animal owners, and even extends into people with illness. While interviewing my customers, I realized my customer segment reached farther than just larger size people and co-sleeping families. Our early evangelists will be mostly family and friends until suppliers can start selling the product. But to get on my feet, to get to get my feet off the ground, our first purchases will be by family and friends. Our customer relations, we want to provide excellent customer service to potential buyers, and that will help secure the sale as well. Along the lines of customer service, a quick turnaround time from the point someone orders a mattress to the point of delivery. I'd like to see this happen in under 2 weeks. Customer opinion surveys will also help reach a broader customer base and find out what the consumer wants. This gives more insight from a variety of different people and not just from customer archetypes, my customer archetypes. So our get section is make families aware and interested by having shows in large grocery stores such as Sam's Club, Costco, Walmart. Have a unique marketing strategy with a sign for taller people, promoting comfort and something that actually fits. Get our consumers involved in the purchase. I can also have a website that uses Google Ads to create a click campaign and sends them directly to our website. Our keep aspect is product updates. Offer an all-in-one product bed frame that fits a larger bed, sheets, comforter, pillows. Keep the product updated so people will come back for more. Our grow is upsell our products and cross-selling them into frames, sheets, comforters, pillows. Also create a promotion to increase purchases. Buy a bed, get a set of sheets for 25% off. Refer a friend, get 50% off your next order. And then our distribution channels are, I wanted to have two main distributors, really, one from manufacturers and one from suppliers and the other from online sales. So because of my two different marketing strategies, this requires more opportunity for more channels. For online sales, it'll be ordered and shipped from a warehouse using delivery service such as UPS or FedEx. For my other marketing strategy of suppliers, the Tiger King mattress will be stocked at a supplier store and purchased in store. If the product is out of stock, the product will again be distributed from the warehouse, shipped to the customer. Our key partners are supply companies, and our strategic partners are Maloof, which is another bedding company. Um, let's see, these companies are strategic partners. Supply companies will be selling these mattresses in store. Maloof will be providing sheetings for the Tiger King mattress. Risks that come with these strategic partners are larger beds, like the Tiger King, being made and sold by other companies who already have products stocked in their store with standard sizes. Our rewards include easy partnership with Maloof because they will be selling products that are customer to the Tiger King bed. More sales will be made when this bed is in storefronts for people to test. Our key resources, physical, financial, human resources, and intellectual. Our physical, because we want to have both a website and a physical location. My warehouse will probably be based in Utah. There are other bedding companies based in Utah as well, and it's got a good airport hub to ship items via air. My online business will be driven by Google Ads. Another physical key resource is Kaiser Mobilia Ltd, based in Kayseri, Turkey, which is where the beds will be made. They will offer mattresses, bed frames, and headboards. They will also do bed sets as well, but I'd like to stick with the mattresses and frames for now. Our financial working capital, landing an investor is crucial to starting of Tiger King mattress. It is going to take a large sum of money to begin production on my mattress, as well as getting them to the suppliers. Our human resources, we really want to find employees that are passionate about working hard and advancing their careers. Passion is such a good work, uh, passion is a good word for an employee. Um, People with passion put forth their best foot to make the business and themselves succeed. I want a solid platform for my business name and employees that believe in our product. Intellectual, I will need to consider specific trademark and contracts for Tiger King bed. Branding my mattress isn't going to be too tricky, hence the name. But I also like to create things that stick in people's minds. So we need to come up with logos and slogans. So some of our key activities, two key activities I need to focus on are my supply chain and my R&D. For supply chain, I need to solidify my suppliers and have exact details of how much they'll be taking on each sale. That will help my revenue stream and understand exactly what each sale is going to be making the business. Similarly, with research and development, finding a manufacturer and honing in on my final product will give me an exact pricing of each item. These two activities are crucial to the success of my business because without focus in these areas, my product wouldn't exist, nor would be sold in a way the general public could find out about it. Our cost structure, this is a very generalized cost outline, and this is set to change as any cost structure will. Getting into business will help me align a better expense plan with warehouse costs, supplier costs, taxes, shipping, and incorporate the few online sales that are planned. Our revenue stream, our model is based solely on customer feedback. I interviewed and asked very honest questions to narrow it down to a $2,000 price tag per mattress. I've estimated a 40% payout to suppliers. Revenue will be made once payout is distributed back to Tiger King mattress from suppliers. This is also set to change as well. More revenue will be made from online sales than from suppliers because it is less payout, having to go elsewhere. However, suppliers is going to be the best marketing strategy for us as far as the revenue stream goes. So, metrics that matter, aligning my average retail selling price to my value proposition statement, affordable mattresses. If I'm going to preach that my product is affordable, it better be affordable. The total number of units sold needs to exceed 1,500 mattresses in the first year so my cost structure does not end up in the red. Channel discount is a metric that matters because 90% of my business is driven by systematic work on channels. Channel work drives a positive experience for Tiger King mattress. Product cost is a metric that matters because, of course, you want to keep the product cost down to make more revenue in the long run. However, with the lower product costs come cheaply made products that don't sustain the test of time. Finding a happy medium of product cost is important. And lastly, cash burn period. Creating a quarterly cost schedule will help reevaluate where Tiger King is and what areas need to be adjusted, added, and thrown out completely. Not being scared to make changes for something that is not working. Keeping a closer eye on this quarterly will help determine that. So one of my favorite sections was interview insights. So I asked a lot of questions on how important customers thought this product was going to be. 90% of them said very important, while the other 10% didn't think this product was a necessary thing. Um, when researching further, the reason why the 10% didn't find this product necessary is because the individual was single and they live alone. They didn't have a need for a larger size bed. I asked pricing strategies and what a customer would pay for this bed. Most people said over my product price, which is $2,000. However, some did say under $2,000. So when I evaluated my material costs, I'm going to give the customers what they want with a lower product price of $2,000. When finding my customer segments, I came into this having a good idea of who my steady customers would be, but I was surprised when doing my interviews that my customer segment can be much broader than just taller people, bigger people, and co-sleeping families. Business environment, our market force, industry forces, key trends, and macroeconomic forces. Keeping my price in line with customer or consumer behavior is important for my business environment. Any industry partner I have really watched and evaluated has been Maloof. Their business model and relationships following closely in their footsteps can align me in a better business position. Key trends can be tricky for Tiger King. However, taking a look at statistics in states that have taller people and younger families might make marketing decisions clearer. The current economy is a little bipolar, but my product will be immune to many of the ups and downs of the standard economy. Currently, people have just received government stimulus checks and have no shame in spending it. So, because purchasing a bed is an investment, this would be a great time to run promotion and advertisements. My SWOT analysis, our biggest strength, Tiger King's biggest strength is our customer relations and our value proposition statements. With a strong core, the rest will follow suit. Our biggest weakness is having a strong early evangelist group that we know will help take us off without incurring tons of debt. Our biggest opportunity is continuance of our viral loop. Satisfying one customer and giving them a reason to come back for more only grows our opportunity to serve more customers in the future. Our biggest threat is our competition. Other sturdy bedding businesses might see their own type of success in offering larger size bed options to their existing inventory. And lastly, here is my initial canvas. I didn't know much about this when we first started, so I did make many adjustments to this while learning and proceeding with this business and making changes. I dove the deepest into my value prop statement and my customer segment because I feel like most of businesses, that's where they're drawn to, is focusing in on your customer segment and making sure you are aligning your business to what your customers really want. So, um, after all, the customer is the one purchasing the product, so why not ask them first? I appreciate your time and I hope you consider Tiger King mattress. And thank you.